Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 3 Data Analysis. We're looking at May-June 2022, the first variant in this paper. So let's go ahead and do some magic, okay? For first-time viewers watching this, there's always something to learn in my videos, so just brace yourself because you have something to learn. I don't know, but I feel that there's something you're going to learn in this video. Okay, so let's begin. Task 5, spreadsheet. You're going to create a spreadsheet to display data about safety equipment required for a hot air balloon. It's not just an ordinary balloon, but a hot air balloon. Okay, open and examine the file j31tables.cxv. So let me open and examine the file. It has it extracted here, but if you don't know how to extract your files, probably I'm just going to delete this. Let me just delete it and show you how to extract it, so it makes it easier. So what you do now, this is the zip file. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click on extract all, and I'm going to extract it. Okay, so this is extracted and this is okay, done. I'm going to open the file right here, and yes, tables. I'm going to open it, J31 tables. So I'm just going to open it right here. So we have this. Okay, so let's adjust all the cells to ensure that all the values are clearly seen. Let's just adjust it. I think what I can do is let me undo the work quickly. I can just hold my shift, select this, select this and move here. Oh boy. Okay, so let me just go back here. So I'll select this and use my arrow key to move the right to where you have the end of them. Okay, I think we have, so let me just do this, and I'm going to just do this right now. You can see that automatically all of them are now visible, okay, which is good. So you don't have to be doing it one at a time. Okay, so probably you've learned something. Okay, I told you there's something to learn. Okay, so let's go ahead. So here we have item number, item equipment, balloon name. This is balloon health and safety table, and we have this is the item table. From here is the item table, and here is the item numbers. Okay, all right. So we have an idea. So it's number one tip in data analysis. Always go through always examine the tables. Know what each of them are, and that makes you to be conversant with all the fields and of course the values as well. Okay, so all right, this file will be used but must not be edited. Okay, you don't edit it. Okay, so open and examine the file j31 balloon.csv. So let's examine the file real quick. Let's examine the file real quick. Okay, so we have this. So this is the balloon equipment checklist. So this is balloon name, item number. We're not given the equipment item and of course the check. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Now open, we have done that. Save this as a spreadsheet with the file name balloon underscore by your center number, candidate number. Okay, so let's do that. I'm just going to copy this. Obviously in your exam, you are going to have to type it. Please type it the way it is. Okay, just type it the way it is. So I'm click on file, click on the file tab, click on save as, and I'm going to click on right here, and I'm going to paste this underscore, and my center number is AN017, A for Ajiro, N for ND, yes, 17. My center number is 2023. Obviously in your exam, you'll be provided with these details. Okay, spreadsheets, I'm going to save it as an Excel workbook. Okay, so we have this right here. Place in the header. Okay, I see a header, I see headers and footers. So I'll click on insert and go here to text and click headers and footers. Which of the alignment? So let's check. Left align your name, center number, candidate number. Okay, so left align here, Ajiro ND, comma, AN017 underscore, no, comma, 2023. So my name, center number, candidate number. Okay, just going to give space here. Okay, and what else? Right align the automated file name with no file path. Okay, now I want to explain this. Now they want just the file name. Now obviously in the file path tells you the location of where the file is currently located. That's what it shows you, the directory of where that file is currently located. But the file name is only just bringing out the file. Apparently they want to see if you actually saved the file with what has been specified. Okay, that's the whole lesson. So you don't click on the file path, because the file path is just to show you where the file is currently, where the file is currently located, including the file name. But the file name right here just shows you only the file name. The sheet name on the other hand is different. It shows you the sheet of this, which is J21 balloon. So just know the difference. Okay, so I'm going to click on the file name. Okay, and what else? And this is 2 marks, guys. This is just 2 marks. Okay, so right here there are 2 ways to actually switch your views. I'll click on my view and click on normal, or you come down right here and you can click on normal. Whichever one you do works best. So I'm just going to click here, normal. Okay, so we're good. Question 16. Enter a formula in cell B5 to look up. Now, the moment you hear the lookup, you're either using a vertical lookup or a horizontal lookup. Okay, so but looking at this item, because apparently we're going from here to here, so this makes it a VLOOKUP. Okay, all right, because it's vertical. All right, okay, to look up the item, equipment item, using the item number in cell B4. Cell B4 is here. Okay, this is the item number. So let's look it up. Okay, is there any other thing there? Okay, for the value and the external file, which is the J31 tables, the CSV for the array. So let's go ahead. So right in the equipment item, which is B5. Okay, I'm going to click on equals to VLOOKUP, which is the function. Right now, I can do this. There are 2 ways to do this. I can click on equals to, and right here I can select what I want. Okay, so I can type in here VLOOKUP, and I can just select it from here. Okay, the difference is just so the difference. I can click on FX, and then we can do this. Okay, and I think I'm just going to work with this because this is the first time I'm doing this in this video. So the lookup value is going to be this. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to select where I'm looking up the item. Okay, now sorry, this is the lookup value. Okay, this is the lookup value. So I'm going to, so the lookup value is going to be right here. This is the lookup value. Okay, you can see lookup value. The table array is going to be this. So the table array is going to be from here for the table array. Okay, and the column index is going to be the second one. So I'm going to write 2, and of course, yes, this is going to be an exact match. Okay, so I'm going to click on OK. So there we have it. Okay, so whichever one you want to work, so you can actually use the you can insert the function, or you can actually do the other one. So whichever one works. So let's try the other one. We're all doing all the methods today. Okay, so we have equals to the VLOOKUP. So whichever one you're comfortable, you let me know in the comment section. The lookup value is going to be the item number. Okay, we have comma. The table array is going to be this. Okay, comma. Column index is going to be the second one, which is 2, and is going to be an exact match. See? Okay, it all worked. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so enter a formula in cell B7. Okay, in cell B7 right here to display the date and name of the employee. Date and the name. Okay, this is the date and this is the name of the employee. By. Okay, noted. Who checked the item of the safety equipment? Item of the safety equipment. Okay, checked this, which is your equipment item. okay, using the balloon name. So the value, the lookup value is going to be the balloon name, and we have the item number and external file. So let's just take this one at a time, okay? So right here, I'm going to do a VLOOKUP. Okay, the lookup value is going to be the item name, comma. The table array is going to be, okay, who checked the item to look at the name of employees. And if you check this table, we have so many names of employee. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the balloon name. Of course, obviously it's going to look it up in the rest of the item number, and these are the item numbers. Okay, so we're going to look it up. Okay, comma. Now the column index is, let's go back, is 7. So we want to see 7 displayed here. Okay, so we're going to click this item right here. Okay, and we're going to have an exact match. Okay, by Samuel. So let's check. By Samuel 7 by, let me check, let me see this, 3rd January 2022. I don't see Samuel here. Oh, Samuel is here. So now I think I know what happened. Now obviously let's count this. Let me just minimize this. Let me just reduce it a bit. So let's count together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's a problem. So obviously we have to increment it by 1. So obviously it sees this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus the 1, which is this. Okay, which is the actual 7. So it's going to skip this and start counting from here. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's going to skip this and start counting from here. So let's do that. Let's go back to the lookup and let's adjust this and let's add plus 1. And this is why it's important to always check. Okay, I have Pato and Ita. That's very correct. Okay, so this is why it is very, very important to always check. Okay, so let's go on. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick one and I'm going to save. Now I'm going to print out the formulas. So I'm just going to click on formulas, show formulas, and we have it here. Okay, and I'm going to print it real quick. Print. What else again? It is in landscape orientation. They are being specific, so make it the landscape orientation. The rows and column headings are displayed. Rows and column headings are displayed. So let's do that, right? So there are two ways to do this. I can click on page setup or no scaling. So let me use the no scaling, custom scaling options, sheet, and I have rows and column headings. Okay, so we have it here. All right. The content of all cells are fully visible. Are they fully visible? It's fully visible to me, guys. So fully visible. And this is going to be print out too. Okay, so copy, and this is print. Okay, what do I have here? Just to check which is it. Okay, yeah, right here. This is going to be printed out too. Done. Enter into cell B3 the text. Okay, beta. So let me enter beta. Beta. Enter. Oh, I'm going to unshow the formula. Let me undo it so you see what happened. I'm going to okay, so I'm enter beta, right, on the balloon name, because it said enter in cell B3 the text. This is B3 right here. This is the name box that shows you the location of the cell you're currently on. Okay, so beta, okay, by Zawadi. Okay, what else? In cell B4, what are we entering? The number 2. So now we have this. Let me adjust this. So we have the equipment item is portable lights. Okay, let's check portable lights, and it should be showing right here. So portable lights and is in beta, so beta is going to show right here by this. Okay, 22 February, 22nd February 22. So let's check. Okay, so it's correct. And what are we doing? We're going to save the spreadsheet and we'll print the values, and this will be printout 3. Okay, print the entire spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page. So I will click on file, click on print. Now a single page means one page, right? So this is one page. It doesn't mean if it doesn't matter if it's in portrait or if it's in landscape, because it was not specified. Okay, so the content of all cells have to be fully visible. Are they visible? Yes, they're visible to me. Rows and column headings are not to be displayed. So I'm going to come here to page setup, go to my sheet and uncheck this. Okay, now we're good to go. Okay, and yes, this is going to be printout 3. So I'm going to print it out, printout 3. Okay, and so there we have it. We are done. We're done with this work, and it's important for us to always check. Okay, always check your work. So I'm just going to open it real quick, and we have this here. This is looking good, and the other one, and this is also legible. So we're good to go. So please, it's not just that you just watch it. Oh, he talks nice, he explains nice. It's also important that you practice, because when you practice, you become perfect. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of materials right here that it will blow your mind off. Okay, trust me. So see you next time.